Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a login pin on your PlayStation 5. So when you go ahead and get to this login screen, you're going to have to select a user. Now to actually enter into your profile, you have to type in a specific passcode. So this could add an extra layer of security to your account so you don't get hacked or someone has access to your profile. Now to add this to your account, go up to settings and then scroll on down to users and accounts. Then under here, let's go to where it says login settings on the bottom. So here's login settings. Let's go to the right. And then you can add a login passcode. So mine says change your passcode because I already have one on. So I can just go to this section. Then I can enter in a new passcode. So let's enter it in. And it's going to be applied to my account now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.